In this next one, we're going to walk through JAC Terminal. This is my minimalistic portfolio. It very much mimics the full version web portfolio, but in a very techie, nerd, minimalistic view. So we have this split up in about 4 sections. In this top part here, we have the window of the terminal. Then we have the actual terminal here. We have our ASCII logo box here, and our level up meter box here. Another small piece is our clear terminal button right here. And I'm going to go ahead and select that to show you what it would look like when we first arrive to the website. We get like a little boot up sequence and then a prompt to open up the home directory. It'll print out the site navigation.txt, which reads, to navigate this site, select a directory or folder name. To open and view contents, click the clear terminal button to return to this home screen. And thank you for stopping by. So we can see in the home directory, we do have an About Me, CV Skills, Projects, Resources, and a web portfolio. This is just a quick link back to this portfolio here. And we can click into CV Skills. We see it's changing directory. And then of course it took a look inside of that directory. It notices cv.txt, and then it does a nano cv.txt, which outputs the file for us. We can close this out, hit clear terminal to go back. It'll do that boot up sequence again. And the prompt. And this site overall was just something that I really wanted to create because, well, mainly I started to think, hey, I wonder if I could, and then turned into, well, I know how to use HTML and CSS. I know how to use a little bit of JavaScript, but turns out I needed a lot of bit of JavaScript to figure this one out. So it turned into a 1 weekend project, turned into a multiple 3-4 weekend project of learning JavaScript and implementing that JavaScript into this website. Which primarily this entire website is actually written in JavaScript. There's only small sections and containers that are built in HTML, heavily styled in CSS, but primarily built in JavaScript. So in the next one here, we can click into projects. And for instance, we can see macOS install. And what I'm going to do is go to this web portfolio. We'll scroll down to Weekend Tech Nerd Projects, and we can see macOS Clean Install and Device Sync. This is the full project overview. And then in Terminal, this is the minimal project overview. And that pretty much goes for any one of these here. And same thing for the Resources tab in the main homepage view. Last piece I want to show is just an Easter egg. So if you click the ASCII logo, let me check the volume real quick. Volume's up. Click the ASCII logo. We get the output of sudo rickrolled. Okay, never gonna give you up. I had to add that. I thought it was hilarious. And of course, that's pretty much it for this one.